I'm the Lowe's East Coast Upskill teacher. We're in Baltimore, Maryland, and we're going to Xavier's house to do DIY on his front yard.
My name is Xavier Smith. I am a husband, a father of 5 children. I'm almost losing count, so many of them. We are currently in Gwynn Oak, Maryland. We were in New York. We just noticed that the rent wasn't getting any cheaper. Came down here, moved down here from New York. First we rented and then we bought the home that we're getting ready to do the project on.
Upskill Project is a new DIY program put on by Lowe's. Basically hands-on, we're here to help. Xavier's project is a outside landscaping project. He has a deer problem, so the deer are coming into his yard and they're eating all his plants.
Been tending to this flower bed since we bought the house maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. I put the flower beds now, if you see them now, they just kind of died out. I want to know what it takes to maintain it. I have no idea what we're signing up for, but I'm so excited. I spoke to Walter over the phone. He has great energy over the phone. So I'm looking forward to meeting him. I think I'll probably give him a real great big hug when I see him.
Walter.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
It's teaching time. Good to meet you as well.
Once I do the home assessment, it gives me an idea of exactly what they want. We do a home store visit. We buy any materials that we need.
So basically, we need to go look at plants.
Yes. We'll get a chance to actually go into the Lowe's store, talk to some of the experts in the store, some of the Lowe's employees there.
How everybody nice is.
Yes. I know when to come now.
He's already been in contact with the store, with the exterior designer. They all got together and picked deer repellent natural plants.
So everything on this table is perennial.
Okay.
And they do come back and they keep the deer away.
He got to put his hands on everything and now he has somewhat of a visual what's getting ready to happen at his house.
All right, here we go. Beautiful plants right here. Yes.
We're way above schedule and we got plants going in the ground. Stumps are out of the ground. We're doing good.
All powered up.
Okay, now we're good.
We're locked and loaded?
Locked and loaded. Basically with the roots, we just got to get the tap root, the main root going down, and then all the finger roots. Once we cut them, it should pop right up.
It's actually first time I ever used a Sawzall. The first time I actually did manual labor, so I was just digging. It took me a whole week to dig out the root, and with the Sawzall, we got it out in maybe 5 minutes. Trophy. Being in this kind of atmosphere, this environment, oh man, it's incredible. I'm excited to continue to learn and just seeing the project progress a little bit.
With this Lowe's DIY program, we teach them how to do it. They're right down in there with us, getting their hands dirty and learning the proper way to do the installation. You know, he's very eager. He catches on quick. I showed him how to mix the manure and the topsoil and the peat moss once, told him why we're doing it that way. He's been mixing, digging holes and planting. So many times you start a DIY project and you run into a hurdle and you either fix it or you move on to something else. He had a pole light in the front yard. Unfortunately, he has no electric running to it, so we decided to add a solar light. We took the side grinder, we cut 6 inches off the pipe and made his wife happy with the height.
Ms. Smith,
You like it?
A+. That was a great cut, I saw you did.
That was a great cut. The whole community knows we're here. And a lot of them stopped in to see what we were doing. And they're very pleased. I mean, they were very happy.
Walter, I would love to introduce you to someone. This is my down the street neighbor. Her name is Miss Diane Cooper. Miss Diane Cooper,
Walter.
this is
It's a
Walter.
pleasure to meet you.
He's the teacher.
I feel so good and I'm happy for you, Xavier.
Yes, absolutely.
You know,
Absolutely.
I know.
Everything that I'm learning, I'm going to be able to share with my neighbors around the block, so no competition at all friendly. I think with all the stuff that I'll learn, I'll be able to pay it forward, you know, not just only in my own community, but other communities around the city and around the county. I feel like a pro now. I feel like I can take on any project. I'm excited about putting all this stuff into work. I'm excited about taking it on. So this won't be the last of the planting that I do.